Good morning and welcome back, students. Now we'll read lesson number 4 of English 1. So the name of the lesson is numbers, noun, numbers. So in this chapter we will read what are noun numbers. There are two types of nouns in the English language. First one is singular and plural. Singular, a noun that indicates a single person, place or thing is said to be a singular number. Example: switch, snake, face, bench. Second one is plural number, a noun that indicates more than one person, place or thing is said to be the plural number. Example: switches, snakes, faces, benches, etc. So these are two types of numbers. First one is singular, the single one is known as singular, comes under singular noun, and when it is more than one, two or more than 2, 3, 4, anything, they comes under plural noun. So that is singular and plural, two types of nouns in numbers is there. So now we will read about the rules how to change the singular nouns into plural noun. We add s to the most of the singular nouns to change them into plural ones. Example: girl will become girls, ship, ships. So mostly we use s only to indicate it change it from singular to plural. Like girl will become girl, ship, boy, boys, like this, example, etc. And second one is, if a noun ends with s, x or ch, we add es to make it plural. Like boxes, there boxes. Like word box end with x, so it plural will become box, plural will be boxes. Lunch, here example is given, lunch will become lunches, because it is ending with ch, and so the plural will be spelling of lunch and adding es to it. Like fox is given, foxes. Brush, brushes, because in these nouns we have to use es. Now third rule, if a noun ends in y and y is preceded by a vowel, we add s to it to make it plural. Like example is boy, boys, donkey, donkeys. Like this boy, this y is there. Y is preceded by a vowel, that is o. So we have to write s. Same way in donkey, e is there. E is a vowel and preceded by y. So we can add s. We can put s to change the singular into plural. Now same way, if a singular noun ends with by and is preceded by a consonant, before it was preceded by a vowel, now it is preceded by a consonant, we add ies in place of y. Like baby, we will remove y and we will add ies. In spy, we will remove this y, we will add ies. Penny, pennies. And cry, cries. Like this words, we can change them by removing y and adding ies. Can you see, children? Here y is written and the y is preceded by r. R is not a vowel, it is a consonant. When consonant is there, we have to put, what we have to do? We have to add ies. By removing y, we can add ies with all these spellings. Now we will come to fifth rule. If a noun ends in f or fe, f or fe is changed into ves. We can change f or fe to ves. Example is knife. Knife, fe, at the end fe is there. We can remove this fe and we can put VES. Wolf. Remove F. Wolves. Elf. Elves. Like wife. Wives. So same way they can change. Now, sixth rule. If a noun ends in O, we add ES to make it plural. Example, tomato, tomatoes. Potato, potatoes. Some nouns do not change in the plural form, that is sheep, deer. These are the examples which do not change. Singular form also they are same, and in plural also they are same. Now we come to 8. Some nouns are made plural in an irregular manner. Like tooth will become teeth. Here double O will change into double E. Like foot will become feet. Ox, oxen, mouse, mice. Here they are not changing in any way. They are irregular. They are changing in irregular manner to change singular into plural. Now the last one is we add S to some compounds noun to make them plural. Like brothers-in-law will become brothers-in-law. So these are the rules how we can change the singular form into plural form. Now we will come to exercise. Exercise number 1. Here we have to change the following words into plural. So girl is given, it will change into girls. Mother-in-law will become brother-in-law. Ox, oxen, boy, boys. Tooth, teeth. Finger, fingers. Toffee, toffees. Dress, dresses. Potato, potatoes. Book, books. So this is first exercise. Now we'll come to second exercise. In second exercise, complete the following sentences using singular or plural form of nouns. The first one has been done for you. How many aunt will become aunts here? Boat will become boats. Mr. Agarwal has 3 boats. We cut the mangoes into halves. Because F is there, we can remove F and we will add VES to it. She brushes her tooth will become teeth here. So this is our second.